how many terms of the GP? The GP is 2 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2, and so on and so forth. Must be added to get the sum equal to 55 upon 72. So how many terms means n is a question mark. Fine. So right here n is a question mark, and what they have given you is a, which is 2 upon 9, and r we have to calculate, which is minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 9, and that will give you minus 1 upon 3 into 9 upon 2, so 3 3s are 9, minus 3 by 2. This is r. And a, r, okay, a is given, r is given, fine, n has to be found out. Now one more thing they have given you, Sn, sum up to nth term. We do not know how many terms, so sum up to nth term is 55 upon 72. Now, is r less than 1? So yes, r is less than 1. So we will use a formula for less than 1 here. And once we use the formula here, write down the formula first and substitute the value accordingly, and we can calculate for n in it. See, this is the formula that we have for it. So we will substitute the value. What is Sn? 55 upon 72 equal to a is 2 upon 9 into 1 minus 3 by 2 the whole power, and we do not know the value of it, so we will use the same here, and this whole thing upon 1 minus 3 by 2. Now let us solve it here. So 55 upon 72, everything will remain the same except this one. We can solve it. 1 plus minus, I know why is it so, that is minus and minus is plus, so we can solve it here. So I can write it further here. This is 2 upon 9, 1 minus 3 upon 2 is not 3, is minus 3 upon 2 the power n, the whole power. This will be, if we multiply by 2 here, fine, so 2 plus 3 is 5. We can write here 5 upon 2. Now after that we have to move everything to the left side, so it will be see, we will move 5 upon 2 this side, and even 2 upon 9, it will be 55 upon 72 into 5 by 2 into 9 by 2. 9 will become numerator, 2 will become denominator. This entire thing will go there. Either way you can do the same, it will come out to be the same there, and is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 the whole power n. Now if I solve that further here, so let me solve it this side. It will be, say, we can cancel something out of it, can we? Yes, 9 8 just 72, and it will not go, so I can write here 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27, right? 5 5s are 25, 2 5 5 25 plus 2 27 upon 32 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 the whole power n. Right, now what I'll do is I will move this the other side, right, and I will move this other side, so that we can solve for n in it. Okay, so how do we do this? So I can write here minus 3 by 2 the whole power n is equal to 1 minus 275 upon 32. So minus 3 by 2 the whole power n is equal to 32 minus 275 upon 32. So let's solve it here. So here it would be minus 3 by 2 the whole power n is equal to, if we subtract 32, how much do we get? 5 minus 2 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 will remain there. Some minus, because this is a bigger number here, having some minus upon 32. Now say this is about like your practice. When you practice as much, then you could be able to know like what to do in it. So which power, what is the power of a number which gives you 32 here? So we can have it, if you factorize 32 you will get 2 to the power 5. So possibly 243 also will be a power of 5 something of a certain number. So in fact it is minus 3 to the power 5. So you have to solve it here. So it will be minus 3 upon 2 the whole power n is equal to minus 3 to the power 5, and this is 2 to the power 5. So I can write it here. Here minus 3 upon 2, okay, the whole power n is equal to minus 3 upon 2 the whole power 5. Why? You must be having an idea. It should be a power of the base minus 3 upon 2 only, right? How many times, I mean what should be the power? It will come across, okay, if you take a simple number, you may take this 243 or you may take 32, whichever gives you, but that is an idea it will give you, and you can solve it. So you can see the bases are same, the power must be equal. So n is equal to 5, and there are 5 terms which is added up to give you the sum as that is 55 upon 72, and this is the final answer that we have in it.